Social listening is such an important topic right now. So that way you can understand what are people talking about on social? How are they mentioning you? How are they talking about your brand? But it also gives you a great place to be able to go in and quickly comment back or like or favorite when someone is mentioning you. So ClickDimensions social marketing tool has a really nice social listening functionality a part of it. So you can create different streams here. You can rename them to the topic. That way it's easy to say, okay, who's mentioning me? Let me go check that tab. Who's keyword searches here? Maybe we're hosting an event and I want to see, who's talking about that event on this tab. Brilliant. But we can always create new tabs and create new streams and rename them. So, social media is very different per network. So, every network has a API that they open up and allow you to do certain things with that. Now, Twitter is the most open API where it lets you do a lot of cool things like see who's mentioning you, who's retweeting you, hashtags, things like that, liking. So, what I love to look is I could come in here and say, okay, who's hashtagging Click Dimensions? Brilliant. Once again, easy way to go in and comment, like it, retweet it right here, really communicate with people who are talking about us, not only in mentions, but also hashtags. Now, you don't have to limit to just who's hashtagging you. You can also say who's talking about the industry. Maybe I want to know what people are saying about Microsoft, just so I have my ear to the ground and I know exactly what people are talking about. So great way to figure out who's hashtagging you, who's hashtagging the industry. There's also some advanced search options like you could say, okay, who's talking about us, saying, who also says love or hashtag like. I could do those things as well. It's just a really great way to see what people are saying in a quick, easy fashion and me to be able to come in here and quickly check it in one place and respond to them. Now, I mentioned that the different social networks allow you to do different things. So, LinkedIn, for example, is that page feed or mentions. Facebook allows you to do page feed or page tags. And then Instagram allows you to do home timelines and hashtags as well. The hashtags are really nice because once again, you can see who's talking about your brand as well as who's talking about the industry or an event coming up or just what's going on in the world. So really powerful way to have a one-stop shop to come in, check all your mentions, your searches, your hashtags, and you could just pop in between those different streams and they're updating in real time. So brilliant way to see what people are saying and being able to interact with those.